Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the petrochemicals. Petrochemicals. So what is the petrochemicals? First of all, we discuss the definition of petrochemicals. What is the petrochemicals? Petrochemicals, the chemical compounds obtained from petroleum. The chemical compounds, these are the chemical compounds. Chemical compounds or obtained means extracted, obtained. The whole definition is some long, but we will tell you the simple definition of petrochemicals. The chemicals obtained from petroleum and from petroleum and natural gas and natural gas used as important industrial feedstocks are termed as petrochemicals. Used as important industrial feedstock. Important industrial feedstock are termed as petrochemicals. These are the petrochemicals. So this is the simple definition of petrochemical. The chemical compounds obtained from petroleum. The main thing is the petroleum, obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These both are obtained from the inner core of the earth, used as important industrial feedstock. These are used as industrial feedstock as fossil fuels, etc. So these are obtained from two things and used as industrial feedstock. This is the whole definition of petrochemical we have. Okay, hopefully you have better understand. Then petrochemicals are obtained from petroleum by various refining process. As we know, the petrochemicals are obtained from petroleum, means there are different reactions are act upon the petroleum, like by various refining processes such as steam cracking, catalytic cracking, in which we use the catalytic cracking, and catalytic reforming, and catalytic reforming. So these are the processes which are used in the petroleum industry, like steam cracking, catalytic cracking, and catalytic reforming. Petrochemicals are used as raw materials for synthesis of polymers, plastics. So petrochemicals are used as raw materials, as raw materials for what? For synthesis of polymers and plastics, rubbers, fabrics. So we have a 1, 2, 3, third paragraph. On the third paragraph, first is the definition of petrochemical. These are the compounds which are obtained from petroleum and natural gas used as industrial feedstock. And in second paragraph, from when extracted from the petroleum, there are different reactions are applied on the petroleum, like catalytic cracking, steam cracking, and catalytic reforming, and many others. Petrochemicals are used as raw materials for synthesis of polymers, plastics, rubbers, fabrics, and extra. The petrochemicals directly obtained from feedstock. These are directly obtained from feedstock. These are directly obtained from feedstock. Like petroleum and natural gas are called primary or first generation petrochemicals, like petroleum and natural gas are called primary or first generation petrochemicals, or first generation chemicals such as acetylene, ethylene. Inshallah, we will discuss these chemicals in further videos. Propylene, benzene. Who don't know about the benzene? Benzene, toluene, xylene and naphthalene, The primary petrochemicals are often converted by various chemical processes into petrochemicals intermediates. Like there are the primary petrochemicals, and petrochemicals, different reactions are applied on these primary petrochemicals and converted into petrochemicals intermediates or second generation intermediates, like primary petrochemical intermediate. So we have to know primary petrochemicals. There are different reactions are applied on primary petrochemicals and they are converted into petrochemical intermediates or second generation intermediates, such as Styrene is the second generation. Toluene, vinyl chloride. Right? The petrochemical intermediates are further used as raw materials for synthesis of various industrial products like various types of polymers, plastics, fibers, rubber, solvent, pesticides. Some of common petrochemicals we will discuss in our next videos. So this is all about the introduction of the petrochemicals. That petrochemicals are compounds obtained from petroleum and natural gas used as important industrial feedstock are termed as petrochemicals. Petrochemicals are obtained from petroleum by various refining processes such as steam cracking, catalytic cracking, and catalytic reforming. Petrochemicals are used as raw materials for synthesis of polymers, plastics, rubbers, fabrics, etc. These are directly obtained from feedstock, petroleum and natural gas are called primary petrochemicals. Petroleum and gas are called primary petrochemicals such as acetylene, ethylene, propylene, benzene and xylene, naphthalene. Primary petrochemicals, there are different reactions applied on the primary petrochemicals and they are converted into petrochemicals intermediates or second generation chemicals. Styrene, toluene, vinyl chloride, and these are the secondary petrochemicals. So hopefully if you like our videos, please subscribe, and if you need a tutor for any class, we have a big network of our tutor, so you can contact us. Thank you very much.